Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best dropshipping apps for Shopify. With thousands of applications now available on the Shopify App Store, it can be extremely overwhelming to figure out which ones move the needle for your e-commerce business. So in this video, we'll be helping you to choose some of the most essential Shopify apps to optimize and scale your dropshipping business. So without much further ado, let's just get right into it. On number 1, we have AutoDS. All for one in dropshipping. As the name suggests, it is a powerful all-in-one platform that is designed specifically for dropshippers by fellow experienced dropshippers. This one has impressive positive reviews and ratings on the Shopify App Store. Their suite of automation tools help simplify and accelerate every aspect of managing a dropshipping business. Some of the key features include product research tool to quickly find and import winning products into your store with just one click. You have complete order fulfillment. It will help you handle shipping and tracking through your suppliers or their integrated fulfillment. Also, inventory and price monitoring. To avoid stockouts and price fluctuations, AutoDS will automatically sync inventory levels and adjust the pricing. Additionally, we have the analytics dashboard where you can track your key metrics and data to optimize your performance. This one essentially serves as a central command center for your dropshipping operations, making the entire business model more efficient and scalable. The app starts at $26.90 per month. There are other plans as well, and you get a 14-day free trial. So you can check it out, and if you found immense value from it, as I think you will, then you can upgrade to one of the subscriptions. On number 2, we have Printful. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Printful. This makes it easy to create and sell customized print-on-demand products like t-shirts, hats, mugs, and more. With Printful, you can offer high-quality merch under your own brand without taking on any upfront inventory risk or overhead. Printful handles printing, warehousing, packing, and shipping your orders automatically through integration with Shopify. It has seamless catalog sync to Shopify, mockup generator to showcase product design, and branded packaging like hang tags and custom inserts to promote your brand. It's free to install, and Printful charges users for order fulfillment and shipping. So you basically pay a small fee once an order has been placed and fulfilled. So you don't have to worry about upfront payments or subscriptions and so on. At number 3, we have CJ Dropshipping. Their Shopify app assists with product sourcing, inventory listings, and complete order fulfillment. A very handy and unique feature is the ability to request products not yet in their catalog. You simply submit any product link and their team will source it for you. This can give you early access to trending and viral products before competitors. And some additional advantages is that you will have support multiple fulfillment warehouses for faster delivery. There are 24/7 customer service and supply chain teams. You will also be getting deep discounts on your first product orders with their supplier network. It has impressive, highly positive reviews and ratings fueled by their amazing support, and the app is completely free to install with optimal fulfillment fees. Definitely be sure to incorporate this in your dropshipping business. Next up, we have Pagefly. Pagefly is a landing page builder, and it plays a critical role in converting your dropshipping store visitors into paying customers. Pagefly makes it easy to create high-converting, optimized landing pages for your Shopify store without any coding or design skills required. You'll have 100+ professionally designed templates for any niche or offer, their drag-and-drop editor to customize layouts. You have built-in speed optimization for fast load times and dynamic badges, countdown timers, and other persuasive elements to boost the conversions. It has almost perfect 4.99 out of 5-star reviews, and it's completely free to install. You won't need any credit cards, and you will be getting 1 page per section, free all features and add-ons. If you wanted to upgrade for the paid plan, then it starts at $24 per month. Another amazing and interesting tool that we need to cover is SEO Image Optimizer. As the name implies, this app optimizes your site speed, enhances SEO, and compresses images for faster loading speed. Slow website speed is one of the main reasons for abandoned shopping carts and lost sales. SEO Image Optimizer solves this by compressing the image file sizes up to 80% with no perceived quality loss. You'll also be generating additional image sizes for responsive design across devices, minifying CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files, and finally the lazy loading images for faster rendering. Faster site speed means happier customers, lower bounce rates, and higher page views. This all ultimately leads to more conversions and better search engine visibility. It has a free forever plan that will always be there as they claim. You will get access to a bunch of features, and in case you wanted to try one of their paid plans, then you will have a 1-day free trial to give them a shot and see how much value you can find in them. And finally, we have JudgeMe. This app helps you generate more customer product reviews through the proactive review collection. More reviews mean more social proof, higher conversions, and increased sales, as JudgeMe enables you to automatically request reviews post-purchase via SMS or email. You can import the existing reviews from platforms like Google to unify all of them in one place, and keep only your highest rated reviews to build the trust with your customers. This one achieves 5 out of 5 star rating and amazing positive reviews, so you know that it is the real deal. It comes at a forever free to use plan with unlimited review requests, along many other valuable features that you must give them a shot if you don't have a product review kind of application in your e-store yet. You also have another paid plan for $15 a month that provides extra features, so if you think they benefit your business specifically, then I would highly recommend investing in the paid plan. And there you have it. These were the top most essential applications for optimizing, automating, and driving more conversions on Shopify. These powerful apps can help you streamline operations and boost customer loyalty, ultimately driving more profit. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite, or if you recommend any other must-have applications that we should cover in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make in the future.